Hey guys, it's me, Viking Gorilla, and today I don't mind I'm a cheese ball because I want to be a cheese ball. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be exploding people, and you might be wondering with the RPG. Well, it's going to be with the RPG ammo, but I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing. So we're going to get our RPG ammo and our stick. And if you didn't know what happens if you put a stick onto an RPG, I'll just show you. Why is it not doing it? Oh yeah, I think we have to get out of safe zone. This is what happens. We're just going to be running up to people and doing that. So I'll give an example. So, I'm going to get my stick. So let's just imagine there's someone there. Look at this goofy monkey. We're going to go up to him and just say, oh no, and then I go, boom! That's what we're going to do. And also, I recommend you not to wear headphones for this video because it's going to be a loud video. Without further ado, let's get into the video! Yay! I'm just going to... Wait, I need to check if I pressed the right lobby.
I put it back in my inventory.
Can I trade you the bag?
I'm just gonna use the RPG this time.
Can I trade you the bag?
We're lagging too much.
Everyone, I'm flexing even. Everyone,
To get rid of my wedge, that's just what I'm gonna do. Wow. This lobby is so chaotic. Holy crap.
No, that's not.
Holy crap.
Get that. Let me show you.
Why is there so much kids in this lobby?
hello.
Wait, I don't think that's my good.
Here we go. Oh, this is gonna be our first victim. I got him.
No. Why the revolver?
Yo, bro, you
Everyone, I'm gonna flex again.
Oh my god, I just killed Blue.
My Pookie. What's up, Pookie?
Oh, he survived.
Bro, he's showing
What
his
I
cookie out.
got? What I got?
I got away.
I think everyone
I think everyone has better than stuff than you, bro. No one really.
I can't find anyone. Let's just go into a different lobby then.
Push.
So I'm tired of kids screaming. Oh my god, they hurt my ears. Come on, Discord.
We got a tiny.
Discord. That's what I like Discord.
Left one more bag. It's this tiny bag right here. Okay,
I'm doing this because it's so funny. Like, watch this. I got him. He just fell onto the arcade machine. I mean, he fell on the VR. Oh, I wouldn't be out in the open with that weapon.
I'm gonna give one more.
I'm gonna use this so I can get him.
I'm
I know I said I'm gonna use the thing, but I'm gonna use RPG as well.
Whoever can get that bag right there is right there. The bag right there. Bag.
Oh wait.
Kill him.
Okay then.
Kill him.
I just got him.
No way. Thank you, bro.
Come on, shoot me, Blue.
Is this cool? Jump down there and get them.
Oh my god. I found it. Ah!
Come here, bro.
Oh. He got me. He just killed himself as well. I'm sorry if this caused a little bit of noise.
Free revolver.
I wouldn't recommend watching this video with headphones.
Oh shoot. Yo, can I get more, please?
Oh, I got him!
How'd I die?
Whoa! That's a lot of money, Jesus.
And I ended up only getting one thing from the video.
I feel bad for headphone users.
Spielberg.
Okay. We're gonna look for some victims.
You hate me.
Wait, what? Where? Where's the red watch? He's lying. I don't see a red watch. Whoa.
Yeah, no, I saw that. I don't want to kill.
I agree. Whoa!
Kill me before when I was trying to sell something.
Whoops. Okay, I'm moving on to the next lobby.
Wait, what do you mean moving on?
Look, we blurred that out. I didn't want my video to get age restricted.
No. What are you gonna do about it?
Hey, guess what? Oh, that was so funny.
Shut up.
Okay.
No.
I would have been.
Oh my god, you!
I will give you something and you will shut up.
Yeah, explode the server! Hey, do you want to die again? Do you want to die again? I have something rare, bro.
Oh, he thinks he can get me.
Guys,
Oh.
watch right now.
What the fuck is going on out there?
That was literally a triple kill. Wait, oh my god. Someone with red watch. Someone with red watch.
No, give the bag back. It was mine, bro. Give it back.
I own them, bro. I will give you one.
Why is everyone saying bro? Oh my god! Oh, why is a spider here? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Still alive.
I'm gonna get an RPG.
Yeah, get all RPG and you can blow things up. Can anyone give
Like
me
this?
an RPG?
Like this guy! Like, oh! Was that? How much? Wait, how much people? I just killed one person.
Are you?
Come on, fight me, blue!
Guys, red watch! Red watch!
Oh no!
Red
Someone got me.
Ah!
Hello, dude.
He's red watch! Yes! We killed the red watch and red
Chicken
watch
nuggets.
is here now.
Chicken. Let's make some chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Chicken jockey.
No chicken nugget, no chicken jockey.
Oh,
Why
chicken
are you hitting me with that?
Chicken nuggets.
Now he's. Oh, blue! Stop killing people!
You tell him.
Oh,
I don't even want that.
he's getting beaten up.
Extraordinary rules for the day. No, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me!
He survived.
Come on!
Look at my dead body there.
Oh, I'm going mining. Dod makom. Shuma lebe. Shua khan yes.
Oh, I'm gonna get this. I wanna do other way around now.
Blue, that you can't take pictures.
Can I attach
You're
it?
not in the game, bro. You can't take pictures. No, no, no.
Oh, it's attachable.
Steal my pictures. That's not nice. Here we have a. You
It's
want
attachable.
I do not want to lose my crossbow.
I know what to do.
If someone kills me and I have my crossbow, I'll win.
Yes. Okay. Oh my god!
Who wants this bag? It's full of broccoli.
Me, bro.
I've just learned something new. That's what I'm gonna do now.
It's there.
Yes, thank you, bro. Thank you. Let's celebrate. Why? I got full bag of broccoli. Bro,
Oi!
tonight, bro.
You said.
Get out, bro. Get out of
That was so funny. Wait, I need that crowbar.
This is real. Who want
I don't
a
think
bag
it
full of
fits.
broccoli? Real.
Oh, drip department! Wait. Oh, never mind. That's wrong. He is not a drip department.
Chicken jockey.
Wait, is he? I can't tell. Wait, are you part of the drip department? I can't tell. Oh, you stupid idiot.
Who want a bag full of broccolis?
I
Me.
do not want any.
Take it.
Whoa.
I am really heavy.
I'm going up.
Don't leave it.
Oh, you think that's gonna... Oh. I forgot, there's a safe zone.
How did they?
Can I have balloons?
Good night, baby. Nightfall.
Put it in
I'm
there.
gonna use a baseball this time. There's not even a difference.
Leave it.
Can people just stop singing that song? It's getting a bit annoying.
Why am I missing the whole Yes, let's go.
Wait, can I do that?
I want a bag full of broccoli.
Never mind.
Do you want a bag full of broccoli?
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Wait, let me just drop that.
Yo, bro, can I have the bag, please?
A bag full of broccoli.
Wait. No! Nice. Oh, you wanna test me, Blue? You wanna go after me, Red?
Well, I bet no one can.
I'm never doing that again.
Hey, Blue! Oh wait. Oh, never mind.
Does someone
doesn't work.
want the stick? Who wants to trade for the stick?
Bro, it's $0. And you
It's a million questions.
They're back on.
Wait, why is it not? Oh wait, hold on.
I have it. Why do you need it? Oh, can I have balloons? No, a pair of knives.
For a set.
Anything in this bag?
Who
Who wants
Give me
balloons?
balloons. Me. I'm holding a stick.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you give me balloons?
Can I attach a balloon to your broccoli?
Can anyone give me a crossbow? Can anyone give me a crossbow?
Yeah, I can give you one. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
No, give me a broccoli that I can attach this
Here you
balloon
go.
to.
What did you say?
It's there.
Can anyone give me a
Thank you.
broccoli that I can attach this balloon?
Broccoli. I own them.
Your own broccoli? What the? Pointing away.
Okay, you know what? Someone can kill me. Wait, can I try and escape?
I want to kill you.
Wow, I just did a flip.
Who is?
Why is he?
There's a
Why is
bunch of
he?
balloons on the ceiling.
Oh yeah, there is. Let's make some more balloons.
Can anyone give me crossbow? Can you give me balloon?
Make some hearts.
Can you give me balloon?
Here
I
you
have
go.
so much money.
Here, grab it.
Loads of these.
Grab it, quick. Oh, okay. Here you go.
No, don't plate it. Just plate
Here you go, have
it. Why
it.
did you plate it?
Oh, what the hell?
Why are we just puffing up balloons? Okay, we're gonna go back to what I just did. What we're gonna do. Okay. Oh, I found someone.
What coach? I swear you haven't. Look how many.
Wait, did I kill him? Oh, I killed him because he had that. He went down. He went down in that box. Wait, let's check. Did I kill
Don't
him?
plate it.
Jet, look how many balloons
Why?
are. Jack, give me my
Oh,
code.
it's here.
Don't give it back. Give it back. Why did you get that?
Look at the ceiling.
Yo, guys, can someone give me an RPG?
Yeah. What code? Give me an RPG then. You can give me an RPG.
Hey, Green, do you want to team up?
Yeah, sure.
I won't kill you. I won't kill you. Truce. Let's do it.
Guys, get ready to say bye bye to all the balloons.
Blue, look behind you. You should have listened to me and you could have survived.
Guys, look at the balloons.
Whoa!
Ready up.
Green, I'm gonna add you as a friend. Wait, what green are you? Wait, what green? Wait, are you the green? Are you my teammate? Green? Talk!
Guys,
You are not my teammate.
I am.
I've already
Here.
been there like 5 times.
Here.
I'm adding you as a friend.
No. Can anyone
No, don't go up in
show
here.
us the new map?
Yeah, I can show you. Follow me. I can show you. Follow me.
Who?
Me, follow me.
Chicken
Come on.
nuggets?
Come on, let's go. Follow me. Follow me. Come on.
Chicken nuggets, huh?
Why are you saying chicken nuggets? Come on. Black. Come on. I said come
Orange,
on.
I'm here.
Following chicken nuggets.
Oh no! Oh my god, everyone's just getting blasted now.
Nuggets for me.
Did I kill the right
Yeah, I
person?
knew you were gonna do that. I ain't stupid.
Me a blue bag.
I knew you were gonna do that though.
Chicken nuggets, where are
How come you didn't get away then?
Cheese ball.
Let's do this screen.
She's bugging chicken.
Whoops.
Can anyone buy me a blue
Guys,
bag?
where's
I actually didn't mean to do that.
I need a blue bag.
Oh my
Can
god.
you buy me a blue bag? Oh, hi.
No.
That wasn't meant to happen. It just happened.
Cheese ball. Can you? Hey,
I want to use the shotgun
a
now.
blue bag. Hey, you.
Wait, can I also have a shotgun with bullets inside?
Yeah, I deserve that.
Yeah. Yeah. What is? Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Oh my. Why is he always doing stuff to
Who
me?
uses shit?
Me.
I need to sort this out once for and for. Whoa.
Orange. Give
I'm
me
gonna-
some bullets. Give me some bullets.
Oh, no, I want
Orange.
to sort. I
Give me
I
some
need to
bullets.
sort something out.
Give me some bullets.
Come here. Okay, fine then. Some balloons then. I'll give you 2. I want balloons.
I
Give me some
added it.
bullets.
Why
Can
are
you
you
also give me
here?
some bullets?
Did I get him? I got him because I think he had that. Oh, I don't think he's gonna get shot. Oh, I did get him. Oh, he wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, Dandy's dead.
Nope.
Sticks.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Ooh. Thank you.
Oh my god, everyone's just... Okay then, that's gonna be the end for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I might make a part 2 of this because I love making these. They're so funny. And I managed to make a friend. Well, he hasn't added me yet. Let me check. No, he hasn't added me. Wait, I still gotta check though. Oh, his name was E, right? Or is it? He had the letter E in his name. Okay, I can't find him, so he might have me. I forgot to add me. So, to end the video, I'm just going to die. We're just gonna do this thing again. Here we go. Okay, that was a fail. Let's try that again. Bye, guys.
Thank you.